Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to remove your handlebars and install the extension for the forward adjustable riser. So the first thing you want to do is loosen these 4 Torx bits like I did, and then you're going to want to take them off. And you're going to take that handlebar off, and these, as you can see, sit nice and flush right in there. Then you're going to put the handlebars back on, as you see right there. These brackets go back on exactly as before. And you're going to take these 4 longer bits that come with it, hand tighten that in. Now you got to make sure you align the handlebars so they're exactly where you want. Stock, they come at 0, so I'm going to make sure they're at 0. And then I'm going to tighten these 4 down. And then you're going to want to hand tighten them after this because you don't want to over torque them, so that's why I like to use the ratchet. Yeah, and just tighten those to specifications, and that's it. And that's how you install the adjustable riser for the forward adjustable riser on Skidoo Gen 4 sleds. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked that video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Sledaddicz YouTube channel, where we release content on everything snowmobiles. Also, hit that bell icon so you can be updated every time we release new videos.